Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd. Buy me some peanuts and Cracker Jacks. I don't know if I'll ever get back, so I'll root for the home team. If they lose, it's a shame, 'cause it's 1, 2, 3 strikes, you're out at the old ball game. Don't take me out to the ball game. I don't care if they lose. Don't buy me no peanuts or Cracker Jacks. I don't care if I ever go back, so I'll boo for the home team.